slowly brushing away sand to uncover the charger badge. Feeling the collapsed hood beneath the sand.
Tracing corrosion along the grille.
Lifting the charger from the ocean floor.
Breaking the surface after decades underwater.
Stabilizing the car above the sea.
Lowering onto solid ground.
Rinsing away surface growth.
Scrubbing salt from the wheel. Flushing salt from the seams.
Cleaning the windshield frame.
Rinsing the rear panel.
Clearing debris from exhaust.
Opening the door carefully.
Removing the front seat.
Lifting the saturated carpet. Loosening dashboard fasteners. Loosening dashboard fasteners. Removing the instrument cluster. Detaching the steering wheel. Removing the door panel.
Scrubbing pedal corrosion.
Vacuuming remaining debris. Cleaning the bare interior shell. Taking a moment before deeper restoration.
Releasing the hood latch.
Lifting the hood slowly. Revealing the engine bay.
Removing surface corrosion.
Breaking the bolt free.
Clearing old wiring.
Rinsing the engine bay.
Preparation complete for rebuilding.
Grinding rust from the frame rails.
Loosening rusted panels carefully.
Applying rust treatment. Welding the new panel in place. Straightening metal with careful taps. Sealing the metal with protective coating.
Removing old bushings carefully.
Applying a fresh coat to control arms.
Raising the rear axle carefully.
Cleaning the differential.
Replacing brake lines.
Final wipe of the restored frame.
Sorting bolts for the rebuild.
Removing cylinder heads carefully.
Cleaning pistons before installation.
Polishing the crankshaft slowly.
Placing bearings precisely. Reinserting pistons gently.
Mounting the valve covers slowly. Tightening bolts to spec.
Applying a fresh coat of paint.
Lowering engine into place.
Tightening mounts carefully. Final clean before bodywork. Sanding panels smooth.
Removing remaining corrosion carefully.
Smoothing dents with filler.
Evening the surface with sanding block. Applying primer to panels. Applying primer to panels. Applying first coat of paint. Polishing chrome edges slowly.
Dressing tires to a glossy finish.
Reassembling the dashboard carefully.
Mounting the steering wheel precisely.
Preparing engine for first start.
Firing up the restored engine.
Final wipe of the restored paint. Aligning headlights precisely.
Final interior alignment. Inspecting the front angles.
Showing rear detail and chrome.
Admiring reflective surface on the hood.
Engine running quietly, ready for display.
Restoration complete. Charger reborn by the sea.